Usually, you see people, you see, in order to achieve happy life, we making the importance of material value. So it looks our happiness come from material values. Of course, material values are very useful. We need that. But material facility alone will not create inner peace. I think you also have already, some experience. More successful life, more money, maybe greed increasing. With that, jealousy also increasing. Suspicion also increasing. So material value alone sometimes create more anxiety, more stress, more worry. So ultimate source of happy life is our inner value. So therefore, irrespective of whether believer or non-believer, whether believe religion or not, we should pay more attention about our inner value. Now scientists, according to latest scientific findings, it now sort of clear that even good health or healthy body, the healthy mind is very essential. More peaceful mind brings healthy body, because mind calm, peaceful, then our healthy, our body sort of element also, you see, then remain more balanced. So that brings healthy body. And too much stress, too much worry, disturb our body element. That creates certain sort of problems about this body. So therefore, calm mind is very essential. Basic our mental attitude, calm. And then even some disturbances come and will not remain longer. Come, go, come and go. Like immune system. Our body immune system is strong. And some virus, some germs come and may not disturb much. It's a basic physical condition, weak. Then small virus create a lot of disturbances, a lot of sort of problems for health. Like that, mentally also, basic mental attitude, calm, peaceful. And then disturbances may not much disturb. So therefore, the calm mind, peaceful mind, is very essential.